Welcome viewers, you are watching Peri Peri News Live with Shan Ibrahim. This is the news that matters. For those of you who have not watched our episode 1, please go check out our episode 1. And for those of you who have watched it, thank you.
Now we'll start.
And for those of you who are still staying here after this, all I can say is, bro, there's no changes. Just that I've got one extra blazer, that's all, nothing else. So stay here, complete the video, and then go check out the other video, okay? Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's go catch the top 3 headlines for today. Corona Go Corona hitmaker Ramdas Atavale to collaborate with Shakira for an anti-corona theme song. Economy back on track after alcohol sales in India is sky high. Girls are demanding with the government that the Pani Puri stalls are open right away. Guys, it is indeed a proud moment for India because the Indian hitmaker Ramdas Atavale is collaborating with Shakira, the Waka Waka hitmaker. Now, why are they collaborating? That is an important question. They are collaborating for an anti-corona theme song which is called, I don't know, but yes, they are collaborating for a song which is organized by the WHO. Now, what is going to be in that song? We will let you know in the future because we have a leak. We have a 15 seconds leak of that song and we will definitely play it for our viewers exclusively.
Ramdas Atavale and his limericks seem to have got him some international attention. The politician is all set to collaborate with Shakira on an anti-coronavirus anthem commissioned by WHO. Sources say that WHO was looking to get together artists from across the world to collaborate on a song that will unite people all across in these difficult times. Interestingly, Shakira said that she heard some of the RPI leaders' corona-related stuff and found it pretty interesting. She even thanked him for being kind enough for being part of the effort. Shakira posted this on her Twitter account. I thank the famous hitmaker Ramdas Atavale for agreeing to be a part of this. I'm not sure if I can be as good as him. Check out the leaked version of the anti-corona anthem exclusively on Peri Peri News.
Alcohol sale resumed in India a few days ago and people have gone crazy about it to such an extent that people are drinking more alcohol than they're drinking distillery water. It is good because the economy is progressing in the right way. But the problem is there is scarcity, guys. You're drinking so much that they're going to run out of it. Forget water, they're not going to run out of alcohol. So what is the solution? How can we preserve this and how we can make this better? That is the problem. Now see, few people can debate about this because they find it like it's a tough decision, I understand, but I'm not Arnab, so yeah, don't pull me into that. But yes, so moving ahead, we have a guy who can come and approach and give us a solution for this. Yes, you heard it right. Here is a guy who's going to give a solution to the government of India. Who is this guy? What does this guy do? So before I introduce, I think you need to have a look at him. Yes, guys. So he is the president of Alcohol and Spirits Association, India. And his name is Chit Manja.
Oh my God! Wow!
Namaste, sir. It's indeed a great moment for us to have you on this show. Sir, first of all, what do you have to say for the youths of our country and to our elders of our country?
Namaskara, Shan. Namaskara. In this quarantine, one thing is for sure. ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂತ್ಸು ಪಕ್ಕ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ಸು ಪಕ್ಕ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೇ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಯೂತ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ವಾಟರ್. ನೀವು ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯೂತ್ಸ್ ಎಣ್ಣೆನ ತಲೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಎಣ್ಣೆನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Thank you, sir. Means a lot to us. Second question. Sir, how proud are you right now to be the president of Alcohol and Spirits Association, which is an association that is helping our economy go up?
I feel proud that I am the president of Alcohol and Spirit Association. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆ ಕರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ಸಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಎಕನಾಮಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ರೀ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೋಡಿರಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಯ್ಸು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಹೊಡಿತವ್ರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಖುಷಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಖುಷಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಹೊಡಿಸಿ ಕೊರೋನಾ ವೈರಸ್ಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಚೈನಾಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ.
Yes, sir. Indeed. We are with you for all of this. But it depends who and all are going to be there with you. Not all. Sorry. Yeah. And so final question. So what do you have to say about Royal Challengers Bangalore?
I should tell you about RCB. You don't know? ಏನ್ರಿ, everyone knows. If this year IPL was there, ಪಕ್ಕ ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ಮದೇ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, RCB IPL ಆಡಿರೋದು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಿದೆಯೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ?
Definitely, sir. ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ಪು ನಮ್ಮದೇ, ಈ ಸಲ everything is ನಮ್ಮದೇ, sir. But hopefully IPL takes place this time. But RCB fans, cheer up. We at least have Royal Challengers in our name, which is winning all across the nation. Moving on. Tell me, who doesn't like Pani Puri? Everybody likes Pani Puri. Pani Puri is a go-to food for all the Indians. But now the problem is Pani Puri shops are not open and all the girls are having some problem. It's become like one big scene.
I don't want you're asking for it. You're dying for it.
So now what's happening? The girls are fighting with the government, saying that if boys can get pine shops open for them, why can't girls get Pani Puri shops? See guys, isn't that a valid question? So for that, we have a report.
Opening of wine shops has not gone down well with several women across the country. Many feel that this has benefited only the men. Not happy with the situation, women are now pressurizing the government to open Pani Puri stalls across the country. Social media was flooded with messages and comments from women who wanted the government to take cognizance of their grievances. Though government could open these stalls in green zones, if social distancing was maintained, some were still skeptical. Well-known economist Bulla Tyson, who was nominated for Nobel Prize last year for his work in the field of Pani Puri sales, spoke to a reporter and said, "These women are right. Opening of wine shops contributed to the economy. Similarly, opening of Pani Puri stalls will help in an economic boost. And if their cravings are so intense, the sales will double. There will be a queue for midnight and it will beat alcohol anytime, any day."
So guys, finally we have come to the end of the show. Peri Peri News Live with Shan Ibrahim. This is the news that matters. If you guys have liked what we have done, please give us a like. If you guys have not liked what we have done, then still give us a like.
तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का धमाके, लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए.
If you guys have liked any particular part in this video, please do comment below so that we can improve on that part and make it better. If you guys have not liked any part in this video, please don't comment. If you guys have liked our video a lot and if you feel your friends need to know about this, please share it with your friends. And if you feel this is a pathetic video, but still do share it with your friends. So finally, all I want to say is, please give us all the love, all the support, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget, okay? If you subscribe, that's going to give us a lot of support.
इसमें दिमाग लगाने का जरूरत नहीं है.
And also follow us on Instagram. So all of this is going to help us. Okay? Cheers. Until next time, see ya.